Welcome to the YetiPlow design overview. This project was sponsored by JND Snowplowing Incorporated out of Wyoming, Michigan. Here you can see the YetiPlow, a municipal tractor designed for removing snow specifically from city sidewalks. When JND Snowplowing came to us, they had two major problems. The current equipment in their fleet is getting old and hard to maintain, and new equipment is extremely pricey, ranging from $100,000+ per machine without implements, and there isn't one machine that satisfies all their needs. They currently use mostly the Bombardier SW48 pictured on the left. They also use trackless MT5 articulated tractors pictured in the middle and Case Farmall 110N tractors pictured on the right to remove snow from city sidewalks. J&D provided us with a list of constraints and specifications for this project. We had to design and build a prototype tractor. It must contain favorable features from all three machines currently used in their fleet. It could be no wider than 50 inches, no taller than 85 inches, and no longer than 135 inches. We had a minimum weight requirement of 5,000 pounds. The machine had to be wheeled. It had to include operator comforts such as an air ride seat and cabin. The machine had to be hydraulically driven, and it must include front and rear PTOs. The reproduction of cost of the machine was around $50,000, and it must accept multiple implements such as V-plows and snowblowers. And the machine had to have two speeds, a cruising speed and a plowing speed. COVID-19 caused our timeline to change. The build portion of this project was no longer required due to extended lead times. Alternatively, the team proposed a plan to J&D by refining our CAD design. Refinements to the internal cabin layout were made, exterior and interior aesthetics were modified, design for assembly features were included, professional drawings packets were provided, and we provided CAD changes upon request. We also refined our documentation to standardize a build plan. We identified any key locations where failure may occur, and we also provided a maintenance schedule. Overall, the project met all specifications provided by J&D, with an overall designed length of 135 inches, a width of 50 inches, and a height of 84.5 inches. We exceeded the minimum weight with an estimate of about 6,375 pounds. The machine used wheels over tracks. Operator comforts were included. The machine is hydraulically driven with hydraulic front and rear PTOs, and the project came in about $5,000 under budget. Some of the challenges we faced along the way were little knowledge about hydrostatic drive systems. We had little knowledge about tractor components such as articulated axles and air ride suspension. We had little knowledge about engine mounting design and almost no knowledge about four-wheel steering geometry.